Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to service your Prado to change your engine oil and your filter. So this is what I like to do. To get access to that oil filter, which I've already removed, I like to remove this top part of the airbox. You just undo this clamp here, it's a 10 mm, and you just pull this out. Take the air filter out and keep it somewhere safe. This just allows easier access to the oil filter. The oil filter is a Z334. Once you do that, you can come underneath here and you can take off the bolt, which is here. It's just a 14 mm. This is the oil filter. So I normally like to pre-fill these filters a little bit, just a little tiny bit. Even though you're putting it like this, I just prefer pre-filling them a little bit. Just with the extra oil, you can just wipe the O-ring, make sure that's well lubricated. With the Toyota design, it doesn't matter too much if a little bit of oil falls down near the filter housing. There's a pipe that just goes straight to your drain, so you want to leave your drain until the end. So one of the best practices when putting in an oil filter is if you don't have to use a tool, don't use one. You can just use your hand and tighten it. So you want to tighten when it's fully tight. When it's fully tight, then you just want to go 1/4 of a turn more. I've seen so many vehicles where they've over tightened it and the oil filters usually end up having to be cut out or similar. So now it's tight, like I said before. So you just want to go just 1/4 of a turn more. Once you're done putting the oil filter in, you can go ahead and put your air filter back in. Do up those 3 tabs on it and just tighten that 10 mm. Once you're done with that, putting your airbox back in, you can go ahead and fill your oil. What I usually like to do is measure what comes out, so I put back exactly what's required. So in this case, it needs roughly just under 7 liters. But yeah, if you notice, this is a different colored bottle from what I showed you before. I'm just using this. I normally keep an empty can or two so I can measure it up, because those 10-liter cans are a bit hard to try and fill oil into your engine. So I just normally measure it up this way. I use these cans, so it's the same viscosity, but it's a different type of oil, as I showed you earlier. So I'm just using this empty can just for the measurement purpose, so I get an accurate fill on it. Yeah, and we're nearly there, so we'll just start the engine now. I usually like to start it and let it idle for a minute or two, just so the oil can reach all parts of the engine and top up if necessary. Thanks for watching. I hope this was of some help to someone. Please like and subscribe.